Yes, Sumit, and very yes. Okay, good evening, Sumit. Good
Good,
evening,
good evening, ma'am. Good evening. Very good evening. Yes, ma'am.
and how are you, Sumit?
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing pretty well. And what about you? Thank you so much for asking.
Yes, I'm doing good, Sumit, and I'm very happy. Like twice we failed to connect, and this is the third time we are trying today, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
I really hope that everything goes well. Okay, give me a
Mhm.
introduction because that video of ours had been failed. So in this,
Mhm.
yeah, so we are going to start refresh means from the very
Yes,
start.
yes,
Give
ma'am. My name is Sumit, ma'am.
yeah.
Basically, I'm from Haryana, but presently I'm living in Rajasthan. I'm a teacher. That's why I live here because of my job. If I talk about my family, then I have very sportive family. I'm a mother of two beautiful kids, and they both are boys. They both have grown up now, so they are busy with their education. If I talk about my hobbies, then I love to organize my house. Say I love to play badminton. If I talk about my strengths, ma'am, then I'm very hardworking person. I'm self-motivated person. So this is pretty much about me for today.
Oh, very nice. Wonderful to know about you. Like you mentioned that you have two beautiful kids, like the mother. Like mother is also beautiful, and like yes, and
Thanks
can't
for your
have
kind words.
beauty. Okay, so would you like to have my introduction as well, right?
Yes, ma'am. Why not?
Yes. Oh, and yeah, I'm Alka and I'm connecting you from Lucknow. It's a city of Nawabs. People call it like city of Nawabs. So I'm
I
from there.
know.
Yeah. About my academic backgrounds, I masters in English. Yeah, if I come to my hobbies, then I love to read and listen to music. And yeah, sometimes I play chess when I get a partner to play with me. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. Yes.
Wow, ma'am, that's an amazing introduction. And I have been to UP. I visited Agra with my family, like with my husband and my kids. So that's a wonderful monument. Yes, I must say.
Oh,
Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
there are like when to one or some Kolan, I don't remember the name. So they told me that when I asked them, "Have you ever been to UP?" They said, "Yes, I have been to UP." But they came to Lucknow, close to Lucknow, and there are Aligarh. One person came to Aligarh from very far away, from West Bengal. Then when I told him that if you came to Aligarh, you should have gone to Agra towards the Taj Mahal. Why didn't you go? Then like he thought might be it's very far away. I told no, it's not that far. You should have gone to. But yeah, for me, if somebody asked me, I have seen Taj Mahal for the 9 times. Nine times.
Anytime.
So many times I've been to Agra, and every time, whenever I go, I try to visit again. I don't know
Yes,
how monument, I'm so mesmerized to watch it. And I'll
yes,
just
ma'am.
stand gaze for a long that that intricate architecture, that's very beautiful.
Yes,
Look,
ma'am. That art is yes, ma'am. I must say, appreciate it, and we feel like happy at that place,
yes,
love, because that is the symbol of love, na? So
yes,
we prefer to go there with our loved ones, like with her husband. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
okay, so I'm asking you, how did you spend your Sunday today being holiday?
Yes, ma'am. I woke up at 5:30. After that, I went for a walk. Then I did deep cleaning of my house. Every Sunday, I do deep cleaning. And after that, I made lunch for myself. Then I took a short nap. After that, at 2:30, I had a session with Pooja, ma'am. Then now I'm connecting with you. So this is how I spent my day. And I would say it's a productive Sunday for me because I'm taking two sessions today.
Very nice, very nice.
Mhm.
Mention okay in the earlier video, though it didn't get the video of us, but you mentioned in your introduction that you keep your house very neat and clean, like you're
Yes,
very
ma'am. Yes,
right.
ma'am. I'm very hygienic person. I love to keep all these things like I like neat and clean things around me, and these things gives me these things give me positive vibes. So I like neat and clean things. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
mean that you keep your everything, your house immaculate. You are
Yes,
perfect
ma'am.
with this, like yeah. Very even
Mhm.
I do, I don't feel like you're taking the sessions and all that until my house is, well clean, until
Mhm.
everything is done in a proper way, then only I'll start to do conversation. That's
Yes,
what
ma'am.
I do in the mornings, yes.
So something is same there.
Yes,
We
yes.
are well organized persons.
Yes, both of us, yes.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay, one more question is popping in my mind. Like, what you are, do you have any nostalgic moments of yours? like you want to talk about that every now and then, means very often you want to talk about that, any particular moment, the nostalgic moments you had in your childhood, like in your youth, like in any time, do you remember some very good incident? Yeah.
But now I'm not getting this thing in my mind because recently I started these conversation videos, na ma'am. So I'm not aware about these type of sessions. Just I share my experiences, how I started learning this language and how I am learning. So, so what should I say? Means
Yes.
not coming in my mind. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Let it be. Okay. So one question you said now that you are like you are motivated. You know, like something you mentioned about that motivation. So
Yes,
how you
ma'am.
get motivation to do those? You know, everything about this journey. You want to practice every day. You are making videos. You have your own channel. So in spite of being so busy schedule of your, then how you get motivated about all these things that you have to do this thing?
I want to do something in my life, ma'am. I don't want to stay at the same place. Every day I give this challenge to myself. Then every day I have to do at least 1%. I want to become better version of myself. What was I yesterday, and now I have to do at least 1% improvement. Though I have got my job, I don't want to get any job with the help of this English learning journey, but still I'm working because nowadays it's my need. Earlier it was my childhood dream, but nowadays it's my need because I selected as an English teacher. So I want to become an ideal teacher for my students, and I want to upgrade more and more. I'm happy and satisfied, but I'm not satiated, ma'am. I have more hunger, desire to learn and more, and that things give me that you have to show up for yourself every day. So
You
this is how I'm self-motivated person, I must say, ma'am.
self motivated, you yourself are like you yourself get motivated that I have to do this thing, I have to improve on my language, I want to have
Mhm.
fluency. So you
Mhm.
okay, so do you
Mhm.
like anybody in your house, they motivate you, like they say, Sumit, you're doing so good, and like you are speaking such a good English, you have to do a little bit, like you have to do it a little,
Actually, no,
yeah.
only my kids understand, ma'am. No one understand English in my house. So I came from very I come from rural settings. So it's a very small village where my parents are living. So
Hmm.
no one understand. And but they say, why you are learning this language? You have already got job. So what you will do? Why you are wasting your energy, why you are wasting your time? So they don't understand the value of this language, but I know because
Hmm.
I have faced many embarrassing moments. Earlier I was teaching in a private school, ma'am, so that time I faced many hurdles, because that time my English was not I didn't know how to frame a single phrase or sentence. So that time I faced many embarrassing moments. Means I that time I used to get a very less salary, and though I had all the qualifications. So I know the importance of this language. That's why I'm working on it, ma'am.
Okay, so nice that your children motivate you. They feel happy, like you are doing something good.
Yes, ma'am. My children always motivate me, and they support me. Like I'm not a tech savvy person, so they always help me in editing and all these things. Wherever I'm facing problem, I always ask them, and they means they clear all these things to me.
Okay, so they are grown ups, your children.
Yes, ma'am. They both have grown up. They have completed their 12th, and now they are doing their college. So they both have grown up now. Hmm.
Oh, very nice. Okay, okay.
Hmm.
So you are a teacher, you told, na? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I am a teacher. Hmm, hmm, hmm.
So what subject you teach?
I teach English, ma'am.
Oh, very.
I selected as an English teacher. Earlier, I was teaching in private school, and now it's been 4 years. I am teaching as a government teacher, and I selected as an English teacher. So that's why English is my need nowadays. And so
Good.
I am working on it, and necessity is the mother of invention, ma'am. So
Yes.
yeah.
And say that you are successful in your career. Okay, you wanted. I think you wanted to become a teacher earlier, and you became a teacher.
Yes, I wanted to become, means I wanted to get a government job. And if I talk about teaching, so teaching was in my prior list, like I would say. So I got my dream job, ma'am, I must say.
Okay. So you are working in a government field, right?
Right now, I'm working as a government teacher, ma'am.
And Delhi, in Delhi.
No, ma'am, in Rajasthan. In Rajasthan.
Okay,
Nowadays, I'm living in Rajasthan. Yeah, I'm from Haryana, but I got job in Rajasthan, so I'm living in Rajasthan near Jaipur.
okay, okay. So what is your native language? Your
my
language
nat- my native language is Haryanvi, ma'am. It's a very like.
belong to like Haryana. Okay, got it. Yeah. Even I
Yes,
have lived
ma'am.
in Hisar. That was Hisar is also in Haryana.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
yeah,
Yes,
Hisar, yeah, many places I lived. So
it's
even
a
I
hundred
understand a bit.
100 kilometer far away from my house, and I used to live there also with my husband because he was doing job in traveling sector. So we used to live there in Hisar. So that's also a nice place, I must say.
Okay, you mentioned that you felt some embarrassing moments you faced in your life while you were learning this language. So, any embarrassing moment you remember that you couldn't speak English that time, and the other person started talking to you in English, and you couldn't answer, or you answered badly, or you answered in a mixed language, Hindi or English, you know. So, did it happen anytime? Because you're speaking so good English right now.
Many times, ma'am. Actually, I had completed my educations like post graduation, graduation, B.Ed. After that, when I went for interview, that real challenges started after that, ma'am. When I'm sitting in front of like someone, that time I was not able to speak a single sentence because I never heard English. I never opened my mouth to speak English. So how I could be able to speak this language? So that time, but by the grace of the God, that time also I selected because of my introduction. Like someone told me, you have to learn these 5-10 lines and then introduce yourself English, and you will get selection like that. So I did rote learning. After that, I got selection. But ma'am, there were three types of teachers, like ad hoc teacher, permanent teacher, and temporary teacher. So there were huge difference in salary. Ad hoc teacher are getting only 22, and permanent teacher were getting more than 50. And I had all that qualifications, but still I was not able to means because of my weak English, I was not able to get that opportunity, that salary. And my principal ma'am said to me many times, Sumit, you have done your MA in English and still you are not able to speak a single sentence in English. Because I done my education, ma'am, through distance education. I got, that's the problem, ma'am. I got married in very early age, ma'am, when I was in 12th only. After that, I completed my whole education through distance education.
So, like, both like we both, you know, you share the same kind of story. Like, even I was married after class 12, and I was living in a joint family. And like, in spite of doing so much of work in the joint family, and still I was learning. And I mean to say, I was studying. So I did 3 years my graduation, 2 years post graduation. In this way, after my marriage, then I did everything. You know, yeah.
Mhm. You are an inspiration for all of us, ma'am. At this age, you are taking means this step for yourself. So you are an inspiration for all English enthusiast learners.
Yes, people tell me the same thing that man, yeah, you are inspiring us. In the same, then people think about when they see me that at my age, and like at this age, if I can do something, and the other people who's facing me, they say that, oh ma'am, you can do something at this age, and why can't we? And like I'm a
Mhm.
kind of motivation to them, and they get inspired from me when they look at me, you know, like she's a grown-up lady. If she can try, if she can learn English, then even we can do something good, you know.
Yes, we get positive motivation, ma'am. Yes.
Exactly.
And age is just a number, ma'am.
Of
We can
course.
learn any new skill means at any age. It's
Yes.
never too late to learn anything. It's never too late to start anything new. So age is just a number.
Yes. It doesn't matter about age. You know, any person can learn anything until death. You know, like I mean to say, at your old age, you have an advanced, very advanced age of yours. And
Yes,
still, if you
ma'am.
are motivated, you want to learn something, you can do. You know,
Yes.
so it
Mm-hmm.
doesn't matter. Someone
And
wants to learn something, is very passionate to learn something, and can learn at the
mm-hmm.
age of 90 or 85, 90, something like that. You know, if a person wants to, nobody,
Mm-hmm.
the person, nobody can say that no, you don't do this because it is your advanced age. Nothing like that. If a person is passionate about that, he can do. He or she can do. You know, and
Yes.
if I tell you about my mom, you know, like my mother's elder brother, that has been a very long story. And at the age of 82, like I had been to his house sometime, and asked my mother just out of curiosity, why mama of mine, he takes one day, you know, that small diary, yeah, and used to keep a diary in his pocket and a pen. And you know, I had a fear to ask him, like, why you take the diary every day? So I asked my mother, and
Mm-hmm.
out of curiosity, like what he is doing at this age. And
Mm-hmm.
my then, you know, when in the evening, my mother should have told him something that I was asking about this. And when he came back, he told me, you know what I'm doing at this age, at the age of 82, I'm learning Sanskrit. Oh my God. So, so amazed to see that at age of 82, he's learning Sanskrit.
Mm-hmm.
He told me, I asked him, why didn't you go earlier to learn this language? Why at this age? Then he
Mm-hmm.
told me that now the Sanskrit college is being constructed close to my house. That's
Mm-hmm.
why I got the opportunity to learn this language. And he learned Sanskrit. After 4 years, he wrote a book also in Sanskrit.
Mm-hmm.
This is what
And
I'm talking about. If somebody is so passionate, he
if
or she.
if fascinating peoples are around us na, so that time we get more motivation from them. We can learn so many we can learn so many new things from their experiences. And but if they are doing something at this age, so why can't we, why we are holding ourselves back, why we are falling behind? So we also get some positive vibes from them now.
Yes, of course. And you know,
Mm-hmm.
every learner of ours, like any learner wants to start this journey. So one note of motivation. How can we motivate that person? In the sense, like you should start the journey now only, because you never know the future. Past has gone. This is the time when somebody can start doing anything, whatever the
Yes,
passion
ma'am.
of it is. You know.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, I have one question for you. Have you joined any classes to learn this language, or you are learning it on your own?
On my own, yeah, no classes. At this age where I will go to attend classes, not offline. I can learn something online also, but never. I just online. Many persons are charging. Then I think, what's the use of paying? Just to learn the language. So no,
Same here, ma'am. I
yeah,
also didn't spend a single rupee for this language. I have been learning this language. It's been over a year, and whatever I'm speaking right now, I learned from YouTube.
yeah, same here.
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, I'm not the part of any WhatsApp community, and also I never paid a single rupee for this language. And I think why people are paying money for this thing.
Yeah, I mean, speak so well. Like only tell me one thing, that when did you start this? Your journey, because you're speaking amazing English. Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words. Actually, before this session, I had one session, so now my mouth is habitual to speak this language. And when I started that session, na, that time I was sleeping. I was taking rest in the afternoon, so I was not able to even introduce myself. I started my English learning journey, ma'am, in the month of March 2025. It's
Oh,
been over a year, I would say 15, 16 months. But when I started, ma'am, that time I was not able to frame a single phrase. This was my level. If you will watch my earlier videos than old videos, you will find. And now I laugh at myself how I was making videos that time. I laugh at myself.
yes, we do. If I watch my first video of mine, oh my God, such a rubbish, video. Really, it was very
Yes.
bad. First video was not good. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think I'm done with my session. Okay.
Oh,
Thank
ma'am, I enjoyed a lot and I'm feeling very comfortable and deep connection with you because we have connected two times now. It's third
you.
time now. So I'm feeling
we,
deep
we
connection with you.
those two sessions because video didn't appear, but we got, like we knew, like these two sessions of ours, the past two sessions, they made us very close to each other, and we